Hi. Do you need your desktop look like this? Don't worry, just follow the steps. Open the browser and search for Rainmeter and download it. Then complete the installation steps as shows. Now go to Microsoft Store and search for Lively Wallpaper and download it. Then go to the folder and extract the zip file. Once the file is extracted, go to the fonts and install both fonts. Click on Rainmeter in the folder and copy only the date folder. Once the folder is complete, go to Documents, select Rainmeter. In that folder, go to Skins and paste the copied skins. Now open the Lively Wallpaper application and also the folder which is in description. There in Lively application, click on Add Wallpaper, then drag the wallpaper zip file to it. First, copy the dark icons folder. Then go to this PC. Select local disk C there, paste the copied folder. Now go to the folder and search for the Winstep Nexus. Click on the first link and download it. Once downloaded, install it. Click on the Nexus logo, then go to Advanced, then click Restore, select Local Disk C, and open the doc file. Now go to Microsoft Store, search for TranslucentTB and install it. Once installed, do as follows. Now you can see your desktop looks fantastic. Please do share, subscribe, and like.